So over here, you can see that I am inside of a channel inside of Teams right here. And what you can do is on the top here, you can see that there's posts, file, and example wiki right here. So these are different tabs, and what you can do right here is add in more tabs over here as well. For example, you can click on this plus button, and once you do that, add a tab option opens up. So here you can see that you can add in different tabs of your choice right here. So each of these are separate applications. So if you want to add a Microsoft Word tag right here, the tab that is, then you can just go around and press plus. And here you can see that it loads up Microsoft Word right here. So it is loading up right here. So you can go around and select out your file over here just like this, and then add in a tab over here as well. Besides that, you can also go around and add in different tabs of your choice. Let's say, for example, you want to add a OneNote right here. You can do that. You can add in a whiteboard right here, a PowerPoint, a PDF, and so forth, as you can see right here. So there's different tabs that you can add in to enhance the level of things that you can do in a channel. So I'm just going to go around and select out, let's say, for example, something like notes. So here you can see there's OneNote. So let me just go around onto OneNote right here. So you can see it says fetching your notebooks right here. So whatever notebooks that you may have, you can just go around and then just go around and use that. Or you can create a notebook over here as well. So I'm just going to go around and select test notebook, create a notebook right here just like this. Test and save it out just like that, and it sets up a new tab over here just like this, as you can see. So it's setting up your new tab right here, and once that is done, it'll show up over here in test, as you can see. And there's this OneNote right here inside, as you can see, just like this. It opens up over here, so you can go around and start working around with OneNote over here, as you can see. And this is accessed by all of the members in a group as well. And that is how you can add in tabs to increase out the functionality of channels inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.